From 5,000 pesos, 2,000 pesos plus lang may bagong Poco C71 ka na this coming January 31 sa live natin on the Oro Shop. And as low as 3,000 pesos may bagong Redmi 14C ka na, as low as 4,000 pesos may bagong Poco C85 ka na. Grabe, sobrang bagsak presyo guys, super affordable, COD, SP later, 0% interest, 3 to 6 months, walang problema, tas free shipping nationwide pa po yun. This coming January 31, exactly 6 PM sa live natin on the Ono Shop guys. Meron tayo guys sa mga Redmi Note 15 series guys, grabe bagsak presyo, 50% discount. Poco M8 series, grabe, 9,000 pesos galing 15,000 pesos. Mga tablet guys, Poco Pad, grabe, galing 30K, 25K sa Shopee discounted price right sa live natin. Grabe, January 31, 6 PM, 11,000 pesos lang, sobrang mura guys. Again, huwag nyo itong palagpasin, dama rin po sa bagsak presyo guys yung mga accessories guys, mga CCTV, nakikita nyo yan, lahat yan, mura guys, 50% discount. January 31, 6 PM, mag-subscribe ka na right now guys. Link in the description, link in the comment section para maklaim yung mga vouchers mo. And don't be late guys, grabe. May nawala ka, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, see you there. Bye-bye.